Okay, hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to start lesson 4. So first off, if you've not already, download your project folder, open it up, go to Scenes, Start. You should get something that looks like this. If not, let's go ahead and reset our workspace. So top right, Workspace, General, Reset Current Workspace. Your screen should look something like mine. If not, let me know in class. Next, let's set our project. So go to File, Set Project. If you downloaded the folder, it should be on the desktop. So left-hand side, Desktop, Lesson 4, Set. And the last part before we save it, I want to make sure you guys have this image plane in the back. So if you open up your outliner to the left side, right here, click on Image Plane, go to the Attribute Editor, and if you don't see this image, you can click on this folder button. If you set your project, it should go to the Source Images folder. If not, go to Source Images, over here on the left side, click on Animator's Survival Kit Reference, and open. Now you should have what I have on my screen. Now, as you animate, if it's hard to see the controls on your ball, click on the image plane and you can adjust the color grain. I want to make it slightly darker so it's easier for me to see the handles. Okay, we're almost there. Practically set up. Now, if you want that double screen, you can go to the left-hand corner over here. There's a little double panel. Make the first panel orthographic Playblast Cam. The second panel, orthographic side. Orthographic side. So now you have what you're turning in as a Playblast and your workspace. So you have a little more freedom of movement. If you just want to work in the workspace for now, hover your mouse on the right side and click on the space bar. So now I can just work in this space. Then when I'm done, I can double check my camera, make sure everything looks good. So yeah, pretty simple. Let's go ahead and save. So File, Save Scene As, Final. If you set up your project folder, it should save in the correct location with your start file. So Save As. And this is where things are going to be a little different. Based off the past 3 lessons you've done so far, you should have a basic understanding of how the Maya works and how the graph editor works. So let me break down how I would approach this assignment. So the completed assignment will look like this, or something very similar. So first, I would approach it by placing the ball in the start and end position. So on frame 1 and on frame 72. And then I want you to think about the motion. Is it linear? Is it ease in? Is it ease out? How is the ball moving from left to right, and how is it moving from up to down? The third part is, based off that answer, how would you adjust it in the graph editor? Then I would start adding your contact points and extremes. So you already have start and ending. I would start with the contact points, and then I would add the extremes. Next, I would fix the arcs in the graph editor. Again, we went through that on lesson 3. So if you've not done lesson 3 yet, I'd pause the video and review that lesson. So go ahead, make some smooth arcs. You'll get this nice bounce. And just like in lesson 3, we're going to add those additional contact points so you can see how it stops a little more on the ground. Add those additional contact points for squash and stretch later. Then I would add in some rotation. Now, there's a couple ways you can do this. I provided 2 different examples. The first one is what I have over here. This first example, the ball is moving more like a pendulum. So if you look at the green bottom, it always stays down. If you want something a little harder, I try version 2, where the ball moves more like a slinky. So the green bottom goes up top, and it just keeps switching like a slinky. After you add rotation, then I would do squash and stretch, add any final touches, and then go ahead and play blast it. You should get something that looks like this. So what to turn in, your Maya file, your play blast, video notes. If you want to look over the rubric, it is on this page and on Schoology. If you guys have any questions, let me know. You'll have 2 class periods to do this assignment. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask, and don't forget to write those notes down.